Welcome to EduRev.
Now, let's look at this question. This is a CAT level question. A similar type of question had been asked in CAT 16 and 17. Now the question is 5239 to the base 9 divisible by 10? Okay, the base is 9. So the number system which we are going to use is base 9 system. Before that, suppose if this was a base 10 system. Okay, suppose if it was a decimal system. So in decimal system, if I ask you when is a number, so decimal system your base is 10. ठीक है? See, यहाँ पे base is 9, divisibility we are checking by 10. Here the base is 10. If I ask you when is a number divisible by 11, a number is divisible by 11 when we form the alternate pairs, we subtract it, and if the subtraction is divisible by 11, the entire number is divisible by 11. So suppose if I'll give you one example. Let's say my number is 14641 to the base 10. I am asking you whether this number is divisible by 11. Okay? So what will we do? We'll form alternate pairs. So that is 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. So my first addition is 8. Next is 4 plus 4, 8. I subtract these two numbers. My subtraction comes out to be 0. Is 0 divisible by 11? Now a lot of students answer the question as no. But yes, 0 is divisible by 11. 11 zeros are 0. This number is divisible by 11. So 14641 is also divisible by 11. So if you want to check the divisibility of a number of base n, so if your base is n, you have to check the divisibility by n plus 1. So you have to form alternate pairs, subtract it, and then check whether it is divisible or not. This is the rule. Now coming back to our base 9 system. So like I told you, we have to form alternate pairs. Let's form the alternate pairs. Our number is 5236. ठीक है? 5 plus 3 is 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. I will subtract this. 8 minus 8 is 0. Is 0 divisible by 10? Of course, 0 is divisible by 10. 10 zeros are 0. This number is divisible by 10. So this number is also divisible by 10. So the question was, is it divisible by 10? My answer is yes, it is. Okay? Now let's move on to the next question. Okay. It says, find the fifth root of 15AA51 to the base 19. Fifth root of. So basically the question is fifth root of 15AA51 to the base 19. It seems to be a difficult question, but believe me, it's a very simple question. Our first step is to convert this base 19 number into a decimal system, because we are very comfortable in solving the roots in the decimal system. So let's do that first. So 15AA51. Okay, so basically this represents the units place, tens place, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakhs. So here generally we multiply with the power 0, power 1, power 2, power 3, power 4, power 5. So your number can be written as 1 into 19 raised to 5, because your base is 19, plus 5 into 19 raised to 4, plus, now A is not defined in the decimal system, but we know A represents 10. So we will write A as 10. So this will be 10 into 19 cube plus 10 into 19 square plus 5 into 19 raised to 1 plus 1 into 19 to the power 0. So you will have 19 raised to 5 plus 5 into 19 raised to 4 plus 10 into 19 cube plus 10 into 19 square plus 5 into 19 raised to 1 and plus 1. So if you understand, this entire expression is the binomial expansion of 19 plus 1 the whole raised to 5. तो अगर आप expand करोगे 19 plus 1 the whole raised to 5, you're going to get the above expansion. So this is nothing but 20 raised to 5. ठीक है? Which is the given number. We wanted to find the fifth root. So basically this value is 20 raised to 5. उसका fifth root चाहिए हमको. So your answer is 20. ठीक है? Your answer is 20 for the given problem. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. Okay, this is also one of the CAT questions. Now what does it say? Let ABC be distinct digits. Consider a 2-digit number AB and a 3-digit number CCB. So you have a 2-digit number AB and a 3-digit number CCB. So A and B are the digits, okay? Similarly, C, C, B are the digits. Both defined under the usual decimal number system. So basically your base is 10. If AB square is equal to CCB, which is greater than 300, then the value of B is how much? ठीक है, B का value कितना है? Now let's understand, they are saying AB the whole square is the same as CCB. ABC are 3 different digits. ठीक है, तो इसका जो यूनिट डिजिट है इसका भी वही यूनिट डिजिट होना चाहिए. तो स्क्वायर करते हो व्हेन यू स्क्वायर अ नंबर, सो ये वट एवर यूनिट डिजिट यू हैव, यू नीड टू हैव द सेम डिजिट हियर. ठीक है, बट यू हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ बी. what is the value of b? And you have to keep in mind that this number is greater than 300. ठीक है, it is greater than 300. How are we going to tackle this problem? See, we know our number is CCB. But we know it is the same as AB square. So that means your CCB is actually a perfect square. ठीक है, it is a perfect square because उसको AB the whole square के format में लिख सकते हैं. My question to you is, which is the biggest 3-digit perfect square? Which is the biggest 3-digit perfect square? देखो 30 square is 900. 31 square is 961. 32 square is 1024. So it becomes a 4-digit number. So basically 31 square, which is equal to 961, is the biggest 3-digit perfect square. ठीक है? So can I say your AB, or let's say CCB, if I talk about CCB, so I can define the range of CCB. CCB is more than 300 because it is given here, and it has to be less than 961. It cannot be 961 because I'll tell you the reason. See, this unit digit and this unit digit matches, but ये जो first 2 digits है वो CC ही होना चाहिए. It should be the same number. Here it is not the same number. So definitely if 961 is not my answer, it has to be less than 961. So can I say CCB is nothing but AB square, AB the whole square. The range is between 300 and 961. If I ask you what is the range for AB, what is the range for AB? We'll have to define the square roots. ठीक है, 300 का square root तो नहीं है, but 300 से बड़ा नंबर होना चाहिए. So the closest value to 300, which is a perfect square, is 324, which is 18. So your AB has to be greater than 18, but it has to be less than 30. ठीक है, वो 18 भी नहीं हो सकता. You can check 18 नहीं हो सकता because if this is 18 का square is 324. So it does not match. The last digits do not match. So it cannot be 18, of course. So it is more than 18, but it is less than 31. Now can you think of a perfect square जिसका unit digit दोनों केस में सेम है? मतलब नंबर का यूनिट डिजिट और स्क्वायर का यूनिट डिजिट इज सेम, एंड द नंबर शुड बी बिटवीन 18 and 31. Just pause the video and think about a number. Okay, I will tell you the answer. The number is 21 square. ठीक है, 21 square is 441. So this is your AB and this is your CCB. B का value is 1, यहाँ पे भी B का value is 1. CC has to get repeated, which is 4, and A becomes 2. ठीक है, A becomes 2. Now the question was, what is the value of B? My value of B is 1, so option A is your right answer. ठीक है? We have seen the concepts of number systems and also solved quite a few questions as far as the number systems is concerned. After you're done with this series of number systems, please go and try questions from the mock test or the test series provided by the EduRev educators. We have a huge chunk of questions which we would want you to practice so that you can check whether you are up to the level of the CAT or not. So please go practice the mock test and then start with the next chapter. ठीक है? So I hope your concepts and sums are clear as far as the number systems is concerned. If you have any queries, you can write into us at support@edurev.in.